So, my cousin, he's a character, right? Thinks he's an entrepreneur. Always coming up with these wild ideas, you know? One day, he comes to me with this amazing business idea. He's all excited, eyes wide, talking a mile a minute. He's going to buy a talking goat. Yeah, you heard that right, a talking goat. I'm like, a talking goat for what? What could you possibly do with a talking goat? He says, Trevor, this goat can predict the stock market. Can you believe that? A goat that knows stocks? Now, I'm no Warren Buffett, but I'm pretty sure goats and finance don't mix. I mean, come on, a goat? Turns out the goat just liked to yell, bye, 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 whenever it saw a red shirt. It was hilarious and kind of sad. Needless to say, my cousin didn't become a millionaire, no surprise there, right? But hey, at least he had a goat that could yell fashion advice. It became a bit of a local celebrity. The moral of the story? Investing isn't about magic goats, though that would be cool. It's about making informed decisions. It's about understanding where you put your money, doing your research, knowing the risks, and making smart choices. And that, my friends, is where bonds come in. They might not be as exciting as a talking goat, but they're a lot more reliable. Imagine you lend your friend 1,000 naira. They promise to pay you back in a year, plus a little extra, say 50 naira, for being so kind. That, in a nutshell, is a bond. You're lending money, usually to a government or company for a set period. In return, they pay you regular interest, the coupon, and give you back your principal at the end of the term, maturity. Think of it like renting out your money. They get to use it, and you get paid for it. Simple, right? Now you might be thinking, Trevor, what about stocks? Stocks are a hot topic and everyone seems to have an opinion on them. Everyone's always talking about stocks. From your neighbor to financial news channels, stocks are the buzzword. Well, stocks are like that friend who always has a get-rich-quick scheme. They promise high returns, but come with high risks. You buy a piece of a company, hoping its value goes up so you can sell it for a profit. It's a gamble, and the market can be volatile. But just like my cousin's goat, stocks can be unpredictable. One day they're up, the next day they're down. Bonds, on the other hand, are like that reliable friend who always pays back their debts. They are more secure and less volatile. They offer more stability and predictable returns. You know what you're getting into, and the risk is lower. Stocks are the hare, sprinting for the finish line. They can give you quick gains, but can also lead to quick losses. Bonds are the tortoise, slow and steady, but more likely to win the race. They may not offer the thrill of stocks, but they provide peace of mind and consistent growth over time. Section 4. Buying bonds in Nigeria. Easier than finding a good plate of jollof rice. Investing in bonds might sound complicated, but in Nigeria, it's a straightforward process that can be more accessible than you think. Ready to get your bond on? Let's dive into the steps you need to take to start investing in bonds in Nigeria. Here's the good news. Buying bonds in Nigeria is easier than you think. With the right guidance and tools, you can be on your way to making smart investments. First, you'll need a brokerage account with a licensed stockbroker here in Nigeria. This is your gateway to the bond market. These guys are like the matchmakers of the bond world, connecting you with the right investments. They help you navigate the market and find the best opportunities. Once you're set up, you can browse available bonds, choose what suits your risk appetite and investment goals, and place your order. It's like shopping, but for your financial future. Don't worry, your broker will guide you through the process. They'll ensure you understand each step and make informed decisions. And who knows, maybe they'll even share their jollof rice recipe. Investing in bonds can be rewarding, and with the right help, it can be as satisfying as finding that perfect plate of jollof rice. Section 5. The good, the bad, and the interesting about Nigerian bonds. Nigerian bonds, like any investment, have their pros and cons. On the plus side, they offer a relatively safe way to earn decent returns, especially compared to volatile stocks. Plus, they can provide a steady stream of income with those juicy coupon payments. However, bonds might not grow your wealth as quickly as stocks, and inflation can eat into your returns. But hey, at least you won't have a goat staring at you while you make investment decisions. Section 6. Let's talk bonds, baby. So there you have it, the lowdown on bonds in Nigeria. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and grow your money steadily. Now tell me, have you ever invested in bonds? What are your thoughts? Share your stories, questions, and maybe even your favorite jollof rice recipe in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's make investing fun and profitable.